What's up guys, Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Today we are putting a master cylinder on a 2001 Ford Escape. So let's get cracking. Alright guys, so here's what's going on. The cylinder itself is failing inside. As you can see, it's been going bad for a while. The fluid's leaking out the back and eating the face of the booster. You should probably replace the booster and the master cylinder as a unit, but this car has got 265,000 miles on it. It's right out of the park because it's in upstate New York, and we are on borrowed time with this car. It is going to be replaced in about May. But anyways, all we have to do, disconnect this wiring connector, get these two lines out without breaking them, 2 bolts, and they should come off. I guess we'll find out. We won't know. So far it's off to a good start. Spoke too soon. I keep working them back and forth because I don't want anything to twist and rip that line off. On older vehicles that have been in the rust belt where there's tons of rust, once you start breaking lines, they don't stop and you have to replace the whole one, and that is no fun. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this off, the new one bench bled, put on, and just go to town without even having to bleed the brakes, is what I'm hoping for. Will I get that lucky? Probably not, but we're going to know shortly. Okay, well that came off easy. Let's go drain it out and take a look at it. Okay, so the new one looks just like the old one. Now we just got to bench bleed it. Okay guys, so I've never done one of these, but it doesn't seem that tough. So what it says, pinch an ear in the vise, fill full fluid till it drips out, put the provided plugs in, push this in now till you get pressure. Sounds simple enough. I guess we'll find out. So all I'm doing is just compressing this and cracking these loose until the air comes out, and then tightening them up, and just like with brakes. I don't know if it's what I'm supposed to do, but it's what we're doing. Well, that looks like a steady stream with no air. Oh, forgot to put my wire back in. Alright guys, well that's a wrap on that. That went smooth. I got no complaints about that. Took me about an hour, so if you liked the video, thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one.